Hi everyone, my name is Harsha. Welcome to my Rapid Mobile Commission review. So this is going to be launched on 11 a.m. Eastern Sunday time on 25th July 2021. So this is created by Mr. Philip, and the Rapid Mobile Commission is a brand new method we used to take a tiny amounts of time and turn into a big daily profit. So this is a kind of a software that use top marketers to multiply their profits while working much less time. So you have never seen anything like this rapid mobile commission before. So with this rapid mobile commission, you would able to make money literally within 10 minutes or less by using your mobile application or your mobile phone. So this method is fast and it is only take 10 minutes to set up and no desktop required and just your only mobile phone. So this is kind of a something that you are interested. So be with me. I will guide you to the in depth of this rapid mobile commission, and also I have some awesome bonus package to give to you. So with that, I will just move to the bonuses that I am giving you. So these are the bonuses that I am giving to you with this rapid mobile commission. So I have integrated these bonuses with this rapid mobile commission to make the good traffic and also to make online money. So these all bonuses are integrated with this rapid mobile commission to use it to make your traffic and make online money. So my bonus number one is goodwill. So goodwill is a training course. You will able to learn this how to get to a free traffic and to make online money. So this dashboard look like this, and it is a uh, consist within consists within a training program to you all to get to grab the uh, your free traffic and online money. So my bonus number two is the learn how to use ClickBank. So you will able to learn how to use this ClickBank by using this my bonus number two. So in that also you will able to make some good money and make some good traffic. So my bonus number three is the how to use Instagram influencers. So in the bonus number three, you will get this timeless traffic. So you can use this as your own way to make your traffic and your online money. So in bonus number four, I'll give you with rapid mobile commission is Nova and all the upsells. So that's only available within this first 12 hours of the launching. So you have to grab before that. So that's the Nova is this dashboard look like this, and you will get all the upsells with free inside this Nova. And it's also the good training platform you all to get this free traffic to your business. So with that, bonus number five is all the vendor bonuses that will automatically included inside your members area with you are grabbing this rapid mobile commission. So with that, I'll just how tell you how to grab this bonuses and the product. So you have to just click the link down below of this video, and you have to then you will get this my bonus page. It's look like this, my bonus bundle. And when you will get this my bonus page, you have to just click this this yellow button, and once you click that yellow button, you will go to the sales page of this rapid mobile commission. And once you access the this sales page in the rapid mobile commission, you will able to see this again a blue button. So once you access this blue button, you will definitely go to this Fourier Plus Fourier Plus portal. Then you will able to look like this kind of a thing, and you will then you can have the this access to your purchase. And once you able to get this my bonuses by just clicking this blue button, access affiliate bonus. So once you just click that, you will able to click my thank you page. So you will able to get this all the bonuses by just clicking this my thank you page links. So with that, I will just move to the sales page of this Rapid Mobile Commission. So it's look like this, and it says that complete newbie secretly banks $131 online every day without a computer. So using free traffic and no website. And now it's your turn. So it's look like this. This is the sales page, and it says that it's have a brand new money making system and 100% proven method, newbie friendly, step by step, and no guesswork, no email list, no computer, and everything you need is in your pocket. That how the sales page saying about the benefit of this rapid mobile commission. And after you just clicking this my link, you can come to this sales page as your own time. So I just go through this sales page. They are giving the two reasons why you grab this rapid mobile commission, and there are some significant features also described inside the sales page, and you will able to see another testimonials and all those things inside the rapid mobile commissions that who use these rapid mobile commissions as a newbie to the system. So apart from that, the bonuses, vendor bonuses, describe the how it looks like, and it has a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's how it's look like. So you have to just click the link down below of this video, and you can just access the sales page by accessing my bonus page. So without any delay, we will move to the this members area of the rapid mobile commission. So the rapid mobile commission dashboard there is look like this. So it's the left align serials modules. You will see the main modules of the rapid mobile commission will come by this Dan and the team. Then the main training the of this rapid mobile commission, how you have organized to yourself to be with this rapid mobile commission, and how to make this traffic and money and the extra bonuses with this rapid mobile commission. So in the upper part you will see the dashboard, you will see the this all the upsells of this upgrades of the rapid mobile commission. So you can just access this rapid mobile commission by just clicking the link down below of my video. So that's all about the this members area of this product. So we will just move to the prices of this product. So this cost around the front end cost around the $12.95, and the upsell number one cost around $20, $27, and you will get able to get this by downsell just $17, and it's a pro version. It's you will get the advanced training and proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert up to 10 times higher. And the upsell number two is done for you money makers. That is upsell cost around the $37 and downsell cost around $27. This is a virtually done for you setup system, and get you will get the old done for you campaign. You need to basically plug into a system, fraudulent system, and cut your work time by 10 times in the upsell number two. And the upsell number three is the traffic mastery. It is cost around $67 and downsell cost $47. So in this upsell number three, you will get all the solution for your traffic, and it will teach you how to leverage the hottest social media platform to drive as much traffic you want inside this upsell number three. So upsell number four is the unlimited traffic. It is upsell cost around 97 and the downsell cost around 67. So that will inside this members area in the upsell number four, you will allow you to put your pixel on our sales page. That is the rapid mobile commission sales page, and to have digital email list instantly. So that is about upsell number 4. Upsell number 5 is the reseller's right. Reseller right, you will get the upsell number 5, and it costs around 97. Downsell cost around 47. You will get commission of rapid mobile commission and start banking in 2 times more commission. So that is about this rapid mobile commission prices. And the benefits of this rapid mobile commission is a new money making system and 100% proven method. It's a newbie friendly step by step method, and no email list, no you don't need any kind of a computer desktop, or this only using by your just this mobile phone with your hand. So I'll again go through this mobile bonuses that I am giving to you. The bonus number 1 is the goodwill software that you'll be able to get the all the traffic and free money learning. Then the how to use the ClickBank, and the bonus number 3 is the how to use Instagram influencers, and the bonus number 4 is the Nova and all the upsells, and the bonus number 5 all the vendor bonuses that in the inside the members area. So I will give you the glimpse of this rapid mobile commission and how it works and what are the bonuses that I am giving to you with to the integrated with this rapid mobile commission. So this grab this opportunity before this expires very soon. So that's all about this rapid mobile commission. So if you are thinking that this is a good review, just hit the like button and subscribe me for your future updates. Thank you very much.